everybody, I'm Luke Fredericks, the host of The Luke Show, and today we will be talking about the water cycle. Now you're wondering, what is the water cycle? Well, I will tell you. The water cycle is a process by which water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmospheres, land, involving precipitation as rain and snow, drainage in the streams and rivers, and return to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. In today's episode, we aren't just talking about the water cycle. We are talking about the 8 parts of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, transpiration, runoff, and infiltration. Let's start this off. So number 1 is evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which water changes from a liquid to a gas. Now that's pretty huge for life on Earth as we know it, because water can't just move over and have legs and go to place. No, without this there would be no way for plants to really survive. Alright, number 2. So number 2 is condensation. Condensation is when water collects droplets on a cold surface when humid air is in contact with it. Now that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I like it. I've always loved the water cycle. It's very intriguing to learn about the water cycle, how it works, and condensation is a very important part of it. Probably not the most important, but it's pretty cool. So, number 3, precipitation. Precipitation is when water is released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Now, precipitation is, I think, my favorite because it releases from the clouds, forming snow, which snow's amazing because we can get school off. So, precipitation, you should really know. Number 3, transpiration. This is the discharge of water vapor from the leaves of plants into the atmosphere, and it happens because of the sun. The sun's heat pushes it into the atmosphere, and without the sun, we'd all be dead, so thank you, sun. Number 5, runoff. Runoff is precipitation that did not get absorbed into the soil or did not get evaporated. So it's like the leftovers that you use some other time. So yeah. 6, the last and of course the most boring one of them all, infiltration. Infiltration is the process by which precipitation of water soaks into a subsurface soil, rocks, or cracks. Yeah. This goes into the earth, basically. It's my least favorite one when I was looking it up, and it's not fun, you know? So, yeah. And that is it for the water cycle and the 6 stages of the water cycle. Now, it is, of course, without the water cycle, all life on Earth would be dead. Like, nope, everyone's dead. And yeah, and without the sun helping in the water cycle, we'd all be dead. And without the sun, we'd all be dead. So thank you for the sun, because all living organisms need water to live, like plants, trees, and without them, we would all be dead. So thank you, God and the sun, and all of that. And non-living things on Earth, well, if no living things on Earth would be here, then no non-living things on Earth would be here. So there you go. Signing out, Luke Fredericks. Have a good time. Peace out.